shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Wednesday, February 17th. All right, let's check out this SPY. So we've topped out here on this top trend line, and we are pulling back this morning to this 4 EMA, very popular pattern. Are we going to lose the 4 and head on down to the 8 EMA? So bearish below 391.50 for that trade, and bullish above 393.20 for another retest of that top channel trend line on the SPY. We have really big levels looking, well, they're not that big, but these are the recent dark pool levels at 390 area. And you can see we don't really have too much below that. So that would be an area to watch for swing purposes. Yep, this 390. If we close below that, shorting opportunity down to the 15 EMA. Now that might happen during the day, but usually it takes a little bit of time to play out. So those are the two trade setups that I'm watching right now. The IWM bullish above 227.50 and bear below 224.50. You can see on the IWM, they're closer, these moving averages, right? Not that much space, so really this is our trade setup for the Russell. Let's head on over to the Qs. Yeah, the Qs had a heavy dark pool level yesterday. Yep, out of all three, this was a recent one. 336.39, we are below that, showing weakness. So I'll be bullish only above 337 above this level and bear below 334.25. We are close coming down to it. All right, let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 39.37.40. Bear below 39.16. Yeah, we did have some heavier volume yesterday on the E-minis than this day because we were off these days. Yeah, but you can see that, yep, higher than really these last 2 days. So are we turning down here? All right, follow those levels. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Also, look at the NASDAQ volume yesterday. Really, the futures. Yeah, really heavy. Bullish only above 13,825, bear below 13,700, and we are coming down and we are below that 8 again. A lot of times the futures lead the way, which is why I always have my E-mini futures up here, watching them all day long. A lot of times that'll show its hand first. Let's go to the oil futures. Crude futures. Bullish above 61.06 and bear below 60. I have pretty wide levels for that today. Gold futures are heading down. I think we just nope, we didn't go yet below our level. 17.78 is my key level. We had a lot of volume in this area earlier between 17.81 and 17.79. Right down here. See that at about 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're retesting that buy zone. All right, the demand right there that we had earlier. That's why I went a little bit lower to 17.78 there. Let's go to crypto, Bitcoin futures and Fuego. Yeah, we finally broke above that 50,000. We did a second test of it on the actual Bitcoin, which I'll be teaching about this weekend. So excited to teach you guys my secrets to trading crypto. But yeah, the futures today, bullish above 52,000 and bear below 50,000 for these futures. And I'll be showing you how I use the futures as well. Let's go to individual stocks, PLTR. This was a great short trade yesterday on the Whispers. We're going to be bullish above 30 and bear below 28. You can see there is like a lot of room to go down, or we have that retracement trade up there. Let's go to GLD. We had a big print on it yesterday, another 900,000 print. We're going to be bear below 166.80. We're coming down to that right now, actually. Bullish above 169. The big print yesterday was 168.40, so it could be splashing a little bit. X, bullish above 1920 for United States Steel Corporation. Yeah, you can see on the daily chart, we just pierced that 30 simple moving average and pulled down. So second test is usually the charm. We'll see. That's why I picked that 1920. Bearish below 1850 for a retracement trade on X. We have the cannabis stocks are really hot today. ACB. When I say hot, I mean a lot of volume coming in on all of them. Very heavy this morning. We do have a brick wall ahead of us on ACB. The question is it going to break above, or is it coming here to get knocked down, right? So that's what I'm looking at today for this. Bullish above 14, bear below 13.25 for ACB. Tilray, another cannabis. Same exact pattern. All right, so I like where it's at. It may not move until a little bit later on. Could be a good swing trade, so pay attention to that. Could be a great swing setup. But for day trading, bull above 34 and bear below 32. Next is CAN, which is Ed. Ed's best day trade to date, he said yesterday. Yeah, this thing was on fire. Rocket ship. We can thank Dave Eman for calling this out in the Java pit. And wow, it's a gravestone doji right now. And he's saying, woohoo. Well, that's what the room's about. You know, we all call out things, and my best trades are not actually from the ones I found, from the ones you found. So thank you. Yeah, every day is great. Look at this gravestone doji. If we close like that, yeah, we could be pulling back now. So, well, bullish above 23 and bear below 18. I gave it room. I didn't want it. I wanted to go below this peanut butter and jelly support. Yeah, those moving averages are powerful. So that is my downward trade. And we had some pivots and all sorts of stuff also. So that's why I went pretty low on that. Big no trade zone in the middle. SOS, thanks to Ryan calling this out in the room today. Bullish above 16, bear below 14.80. And the short trade is on. We've hit a couple of targets so far. Actually, 3 of them, and took a bounce. So watch the 14 level. That would be my next short level. But we do have an R2 at 1380, so you can do 1380 as well, 14 or 1380. Let's go to Mara. As you can see, these crypto stocks have gapped up because crypto's really hot this morning overnight. We had a big bullish move, but we hit major levels, 50. Major level for Mara. There's going to be sellers. There were some sellers there. Probably are still sellers on the book. Yep, see that? Yeah, 9,600, but still the biggest guy here. And then there's a guy trying to cut the line, an eighth short of that, which we see all the time. Yeah, so that's why I'm bullish above 48.50, but 50 would be that target. If we break above 50, yeah, that's going to be epic. All right, so watch that. We did that first test. Second test is what happened to crypto, to Bitcoin, right? That 50,000 level, and then it just exploded at 1 o'clock in the morning. Paul was trading it in our room. He was up and profiting. I love that, Paul. Great story. Let's go to Riot. And that's another one. Look, if you're bored, you got nothing else to do, you can come into the Java Pit trading room and trade crypto all night. Riot, bullish above 69. And bearish below 65. So this is also same story. 70 is a key level to watch here on Riot. BAC. So we had massive prints, as you saw yesterday, on XLF. Lots of prints on that. And BAC is a top holding. Lots of pre-market volume. So pick this one. Bullish above 34.51. Bear below 34 for a retracement. There you have it. Those are your whispers for February 17th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
Nothing, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.